chill. I'll wait till you back time. I'll wait.
No, it's better. Trust me. Hop on it, bro.
So this like more like your purpose.
He knows. He know what's up. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo, with the homie Electric Tips. He got his mini 450, bro. That thing. Right now we're headed to the freaking hood, bro. Hey, let's go down Paramore. You want to go down Paramore?
Yeah.
All right, bet. I like me to. This is the Amway. Okay. Bro, you can see the power. You barely hit the throttle and that thing popped up. Yo. Hey, we gotta hit a little race.
Oh, anytime you want. I'll wait till a street that's open.
No, yeah, more straight, yeah.
I definitely.
Bro, you just took like the little takeoffs, you're flying away already. Damn, my grip is freaking coming off again. That's not good. You're saying from zero, yeah.
Yeah, we start right from here because it's a red light, right from there.
All right. I get to go first.
Go ahead, that's fine.
Because we're.
Now we about to get this race in. MotoBroo's gonna take the lines and I'm gonna chase behind him.
Yes, sir. All right.
It's on you.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, I'm getting him. Yo! Look how fast that thing is, bro. I'm full speed right now. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Ridiculous, right, bro?
You gotta, yo, he's way too fast, bro. God damn. Dude.
Switch. Let it breathe. 3 seconds, let it breathe. Don't pop up. Is this a fair warning? We can go when you're ready. Let me get a head start.
Alright. I'm on his bike now. Oh my god, it popped up! That popped up while I'm going like, I don't know, fast as hell. Oh my gosh. But it feels like, hey, it's normal. I got normal brake right now, yeah. So I can do a little wheelie.
Yeah, just be careful because it rips up.
Bro, I can. It's so sensitive right now.
No.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's what I say, you know?
Oh my! It's.
Hold on, let me turn my GoPro around.
It's almost too powerful right now for wheelies.
Do the gearing back down, cause it scared me.
Bro, yeah, I'm like.
So when it come, even at 30, whap it and watch what happened.
Bro, did
you come up?
I was popping up. I had to let go of the throttle, bro. Woo! That's scary, bro. I'm scared to wheel.
Acceleration.
Dude, it just pulls up. Yo! Oh my god! Oh. Bro, this is scary. I was going like 35, 40. It still
violently.
Yeah, I just wanted to go, dude. This thing is literally a mini 450 now, bro. And look, he got the blinkers. He got the. Dude, I didn't even check out.
It's scared to look down, right?
Yeah, I couldn't even look down, bro. Bro, my bike feels so damn slow.
Bro, I was hitting it and I was like watching you just. I said, oh god.
Let's go. Hey, he fast.
What's up? I know you got it in you. At least to the sign or something.
Let's go. They're about to get a little race going. He gonna blow you. He's too fast, bro.
I'm making Electric Tips 29 on Instagram. Electric Tips 29 on Instagram. You don't got no number, no phone, nothing. Electric Tips 29, like electric coming out the exhaust. Tips 29.
I'm about to take off again, bro. Yeah. So yeah, this is a good little wheelie road right here.
Okay, we outside.
Let's go.
I think I got it under control.
I don't know how you're doing it. Me neither.
I don't even want to touch the throttle.
Let's go. Bro, it's crazy, dude. This thing is so powerful. Where's your homie live? Oh, you think he got a pump? Oh, what's good, man? Yeah, it's a little wobbly. How you doing, bro? I'm Lars.
I'm Rod.
Nice to meet you. Hey, your rear tire has a little bit of a wobble.
The guy sat.
What the fuck is that?
Emergency SOS, cancel. I must have hit the SOS. What the hell?
Now all the costs are coming in.
The Thru. It's really a Segway, but it's the exact same as a Thru.
You want to ride it?
It's not gonna kill you like
Nah, it's chill. Ride it.
No, it's chill.
I'll wait till you back time. I'll wait.
No, it's better. Trust me. Hop on it, bro.
Like my shit.
Hop on it. You'll have some fun.
Like mine be all crazy.
So this like more like your purpose.
Look at the second the throttle. He knows.
He knows. He know what's up. It's like a bike.
Chill. You get on that. You want some adrenaline rush?
Yeah. You know I ain't gonna want to.
I wouldn't even let you do it with slides without a helmet.
I like this. So look, something like this. How much this cost?
Okay,
Yeah, four to 5 grand.
Yeah. So basically, that motor go on this bike.
Exactly, but that's the souped up version of this motor.
Oh.
I mean, his shit way faster than this.
Yeah.
Way. It goes like 45-ish.
Just don't get there as fast as the purple bike or one of them, but it's still get there.
Yeah, I think.
Blinkers.
Boy got the car horn.
Gotta make somebody pay attention now.
That motherfucker loud. So what this is, your charger port?
Yeah. And you know.
After you put that pump.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
With that, as long as I got this pump and we can still roll.
Yeah, I don't think it's leaking. It's just low, man. Hey, I appreciate that, bro.
Appreciate y'all, man. Anytime, man.
To the gas station. Catch you in the hood.
Let's go. Outside in the hood, baby. You say what?
They about to turn.
Oh, the kids in there? All right, well, hello, Willie.
Kids love the wheelies. Come on. What's the left?
Yes, sir. Let's go. Yes, sir. Sheesh. I don't really be riding much downtown, but if
You live far from here.
I live a little far, yeah. He's too fast. Those cops right there, he said, hey, you couldn't keep up with you. I was saying, too fast. That kid left. He said he's heading back to his house.
Yeah, because now we out of his area.
Ah, okay. Damn, look at the e-bike carnage, dog. Bro, I was like, where'd you go? No, yeah. You know, little shortcuts. You don't know the vibe, bro. She's flying through here, dude. People are like, yo, what the hell is this freaking electric tips guy doing?